to another video. Welcome back to our channel. Well, today we're on the road. We're heading to Royal Pines to show you the houses that they'll be having on display today. So this housing scheme is in Pines, as the name suggests, but we'll be entering from Newland Road. So we're just going to show you from Portmore Mall.
After Portmore Mall, it's Edgewater.
Yeah, so we'll go Portmore Mall to Edgewater at the roundabout, and then we'll head along 20 roadside, and then we turn on Newland Road. So just come along with us and we'll give you more details when we get there. So now we're at Portmore Mall. Yes guys, so you can just take a look at the surrounding just in case you're coming from Kingston side. If you're coming from Kingston, then you'll drive this way and you won't get lost, I promise. This intersection, we'll take the left right beside the Petcom gas station. That's just in front of Mega Mart. Alright, so as we enter into the roundabout, we will be taking the second exit, not the first, but the second exit. Alright, so this road will also carry you to another roundabout, and in this roundabout we'll be taking the second exit. Alright guys, so now we're at Newland stoplight, and at this stoplight we'll be making the right turn, and then we can start looking out for the entrance on the left hand side of the road. Alright guys, so as we approach, you can see the VMBS banners, as they're the ones advertising this gated community. So it's now on your left. Yeah, one morning. Alright, cool. Alright guys, so we're here at Royal Pines and we're looking at a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit. As you can see, as we enter on the inside, it's an open concept space. The kitchen is a bit congested at the moment, but here we are in the living room where it is well laid out. You will add your personal touch to this space and just to set it just the way that you would like it. Alright, and given that the kitchen is crowded, we'll just go right into the bedrooms. On the right is the master, but we'll enter into the second bedroom first, where you see that there's adequate space for a queen size bed if you wish, along with a nice closet space. We'll just go right on the inside of this closet so you could see what's happening. Yes guys, so it's a lot of space to hang your stuff and to pack things away, as well as above the closet there is a lot of space as well to tuck some stuff away. Alright, on the outside you will find the bathroom that has access from the living room area as well, with your finishing looking all lovely, wall space for your mirror, with your toilet just beside, and your standing shower. It is looking very beautiful. On the outside of the bathroom, now we'll go straight into the master bedroom, and you will just get an idea of the furniture that you can fit inside of this room. It's a reasonable size. You can add probably your chest of drawer to this space as well, and there's already a dresser there. As you can see, we have adequate closet space in this room as well. It's a very big closet. It just needs to be organized properly and you will be just fine. Even Samuel is enjoying this space, guys. And also above this closet there's another closed off area where you can tuck some stuff away, probably your linens or your suitcase for traveling, etc. You decide. And just to my left we have the bathroom inside of this room. The space is there for your mirror as well. You have a nice face basin area, your toilet and your standing shower, and you can just make this space your own. Very comfortable and very spacious. As well as I noticed that there was also piping in this room for your AC unit. So if you wish to add one, you can go right ahead and to get that installed in your room. This is the dining room area where you can set up your little table and stuff and just set the space how you would love it to be. So this is the washroom just right beside the kitchen. It's adequate space for you to just get around and to get your laundry done. Since the kitchen area and the other unit was crowded, we decided to check on unfinished space. So this is one in the 3-bedroom just to show you the layout. Cupboards are looking lovely, nice colors, so you can just lay out your stuff. Wall space for your fridge. Yes guys, and in this one, which is the almost finished one, you have your stove right at the door. And just to give a peek of how the back will look, this is not the actual size and we'll show you that in a bit, but this is what the outside looks like. So to the side of the house, those plants and the peg right there will just show the amount of space that you have to the side of your house, which you can walk around your house, which is a good thing. And then this fence line now will show you the space that you have available at the back of the unit, so you can plant your flowers, grow your grass, etc. This is just a clip of the map, and at this point we decide to just take it to the skies to give you guys a view of what the entire scheme will look like in terms of the layout of the houses. These are all unfinished, but it's just to give you an idea of what the scheme will be looking like. Alright, so inside of Royal Pines Portmore, you will have your 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom units, and the cost for that starts at $18 million. You also have your 3 bedrooms, 2 bathroom units, and that starts at $23 million. Right? 10% deposit is being required, and the mortgages for this housing scheme is Victoria Mutual Building Society, so you can check them out as well. They offer up to 100% financing. The interest rate per annum is 6.95% on JMD loans, and the processing fee is 2% plus GCT. So the developers for this housing scheme, they are Divine Dwelling Construction Company Limited, and for more information you can contact them at 876-797-5267 or 876-448-3115. Also guys, you can find preschools, jogging trails, playfield, daycare, mini mart. These are just some of the amenities that will be included in this scheme, and when we are exiting we'll show you the shops that are being set up just at the entrance of the scheme, so that will be to your left. Alright, and as you can look around, you'll see or get a glimpse of the surrounding community. So we are smack in the middle between Pines and Newland. And if you are new to this channel, please go right ahead and to subscribe, hit that post notification bell to be notified when we post another video. We'll be bringing more videos like this as well as other properties to come. So really hope you guys enjoy this video, and it has provided some added information to you. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please to share our videos as well and to comment down below. And as I mentioned before, these are the shops that are set up at the front of the property. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.